Hi and welcome to Vidtechy YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to auto-translate YouTube subtitles to another language. So how to add multiple languages to your YouTube video. So for that, you need to log into your YouTube channel. So go to your channel page, then click Manage Videos. So once you click Manage Videos, you can able to see all your published videos on this page. So why we are recording the video now? Because few months before our channel got ranked for the keyword, how to get automatic subtitles in YouTube videos. So many people commented on how we can add the subtitle to their own languages. So once I searched this keyword, so you can see the first one is our Vidtechy video. So how to add subtitles to YouTube videos. In the comments section, you can see here. So how to add my language Arabic. Then how to add the other language. As seen here, depends on which language. So my language is Bangladesh. How to add in Hindi or English. So how to do this? We can see this in this video in detail. So let's say I want to add other language subtitles to this video. So what I need to do, there is a two-way. One, you can click subtitle here, then choose the videos to which you want to add other language subtitles. Another way is you can go to that particular video. You can click that particular video. So I want to add subtitles to this particular video. So once I choose here, okay, I will show you before that. So once I open this video, you can able to see the default language subtitle in English. So you can see the subtitles here. So the left side, you can see the subtitle here. You can click subtitle and add a language. Or the next method is from this page itself. You can see the subtitles and choose which video you want to add the subtitle to. So I'm going to add another language. So click Add a Language. So for this example, I am going to add Arabic. So click Arabic, then here under the subtitles you can see the Add option. So once you click Add, there are three ways you can add your subtitles. One is with your uploaded file. So if you already have the file with Arabic language for this video, you can click and upload the files here. The another way is type manually. So once you click Go here, so you can see it above is our English language. If you know Arabic, you can type manually through this box. Vidtechy is all-in-one solution for YouTube marketing. Sign up Vidtechy for free and takes your YouTube marketing to the next level. Then the third option is auto-translate. It is very easy, so once you click auto-translate, it will automatically translate everything inside your language. Let's say this is our English language, right? So it's automatically translated into Arabic. So very simple. If you want to alter anything, you can edit it here. After that, I just need to click Publish. So once I click Publish now, the Arabic language is successfully published for this particular video. So I want to add another language. Let's say I want to target French people, so I can click French and then click Add. So once you click Add, just click Auto Translate, that's it. Within a matter of a click, you have subtitles in French. Then just click Publish. So likewise, you can able to add as many languages as you want by clicking this Add a Language button. Then I will show you now. So now once I go to this video, so once I open this video, by default the language should be English. But if you click the settings now, we have the option to change the subtitle here. See here, French. So now the subtitle is in French. So if you want to click Arabic, then you have the option to change the language here. Let's say you want to add only the subtitle in French. Then there is an option you need to unpublish the other language. Let's say if I unpublish the French, then the English one I need to unpublish the. So I unpublish this in English and Arabic. Then if I go to that particular video, I refer, so now you can see only the published language is French. So you can able to see the French language. In this way, you can add multiple language subtitles to your YouTube video. I hope you enjoy the video. If you want to see more videos about YouTube marketing, subscribe to our YouTube channel Vidtechy. Thanks for watching.